In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create these cool turtle animations for your next shot or your reel inside of After Effects. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so for this animation, you're going to need a PNG like this. A PNG like this, which you can easily find like a take PNG on Google. Then what we're going to do here is add an effect called page turn, CC page turn, and make the fold radius to 100, or let's just make it to any point you want, but the main part comes in. So what you're going to do here is that when you want the animation to start, I want it to start around here. So let's just bring this point over here. Now what we're going to do is, so wait, let's just find the end point first. I want to end it over here. So let's get to the fold position. Just press your U on your keyboard and just find the keyframe. Go here and bring the fold position over here, just out of the composition. So you have this clean animation. You can add text over it, like let's get something. I'll just remove the voice. Bring a text. Book name, just as the last tutorial. Book name, and I'll show you the perfect animation for this. Just adjust the text. Let's add an effect. Just add rotation like this. Now what we're going to do is add else is way. Just find the part where we want the animation to start. Over here, set an animation called typewriter. It's a preset by After Effects itself. And bring this keyframe over here, just like the fly in animation. So you get this clean effect. It's up to you how you want to just play with it. I'll just give you the idea. The canvas is yours. Use it however you want. Okay, the second effect that you can use is for this. For every word, so just remember that. Okay, and now position them according to yourself, according to your needs, that is. So book and space it over here and just the name of this. So this is for the sake of the tutorial, you can change it anyhow. Okay, just one important thing, make sure your anchor point is at the bottom for both of them, bottom center. It's a completion for this effect. So now what you can do is press S, both of them, and then press on, make the size to 0. When you want the animation to come here for the first text, just come here, go ahead, find like a few keyframes like this. Let's make this like or something. Okay, easy ease this. F9 to easy ease. Control+C these keyframes, copy these keyframes, go a bit back and paste these keyframes over here. So now you have this kind of effect. Just adjust the position if needed. Just the position if needed. You can even change the font, the color, whatever. I've just given you the formula. You just have to mess with it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helps, and you just stay tuned for the next ones. It's going to get better from this point on.